Good afternoon, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2010 Ford F-350 Super Duty Lariat. We'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. Trying to get both angles for you as well so you can get condition for yourself without a doubt. Big reason why we love doing these videos. You have a really good idea of what you're coming in to look at before you even come in. But as you can see, it has a rear tinted windows, a rain guards, tow mirrors, running boards, aftermarket wheels and tires. Looks like there's a little bit of a lift, maybe a leveling kit. Power rear slider, backup sensors, tow pack, backup camera, bed liner, we'll get down on tire size here in just a moment. Again, just getting these angles here for you. It's a beautiful truck. I love this color. Alright, let's get down here on tire size. Focus. Condition of the tires. There we go. We'll get to the inside here in just a moment. Sorry about all the noise. Seems like everybody's conspiring against me to walk around today. It's funny. Anyways, let's get to the inside condition and features. See, power windows, power locks, power memory seats, power fold-in mirrors. Let's get the condition of the leather. Not bad condition at all. Center console there. The passenger seat here. Let's get the back for you. Wood grain. Back seat. As you can see, it does have that power slider. Cup holders there in the back. Let's get some features up front. Steering wheel controls there. Pedal adjusters, 4-wheel drive, heated seats, factory tow assist, 6-disc CD changer, rear view backup cameras in the rear view mirror there, but we'll show that here in a minute after I turn it over. Let's take a look at the engine first. If I can find the latch here. I do apologize. There it is. Alright. Now I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. All of our vehicles get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, so keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out Better Business Bureau or Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business, and well, Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. There's the odometer there. Yes, there are driver door ajar. There's the mileage there. But as you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Let's get that rear view backup camera in there for you. Backup camera there. Stereo works great, heated seats. Let's go back to the engine here. You can hear it's just humming along beautifully. Some of these decals in here you might know better than me. Alright, well hopefully this helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just give us a text or a call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.